Dear colleagues and friends, I am Dr. Sai Kalyan Savarapu. I am Associate Director in Institute of Neurosciences and Spine Services, AIG Hospitals, Gachibowli and Banjara Hills, Hyderabad, India. It is a great honor and privilege to serve as the co-treasurer of the newly established ISUBE South and Southeast Asia chapter. The launch of this chapter marks the beginning of an exciting journey. It brings together talented spine surgeons, neurosurgeons, young doctors, educators and researchers from different countries with a shared vision. Together, we can build a strong community and network that encourages collaborations, innovations and lifelong learning. As a co-treasurer, I am committed to ensure that our chapter's financial activities are managed with transparency, accountability and integrity. By maintaining a strong and responsible financial system, I hope to support the smooth organizing of the workshops, training programs, conferences, research initiatives and other academic activities. Together, let us strengthen our friendships, encourage scientific exchange and create new opportunities for education, research and innovation. With unity, commitment and a shared passion for excellence, I am confident that we can make a lasting impact on future of UB in our region and most importantly improve the lives of our patients. Thank you.